Welcome. These are the SteelSeries Arctis 3s, and this is my review. So let's start off with the box. So in the box you get the headphones and you get two cables. One of them is a micro USB to a headphone plug, and the other is a headphone jack to two headphone plugs, to a mic and a headphone plug. And so you'll probably only use the first one if you're using it with a controller or a phone. The second one is if you have the mic plug and the headphone plug on your PC or whatever. Now onto the actual headphones themselves. You've got a mic on and off button, a volume slider, and a micro USB port as well as a headphone jack. Then comes the long, retractable mic that can, bend in all sorts of ways, and it just slides right back inside, and I think it coils up in there. If you want to use the mic on the headphones with anything, you have to use the micro USB port, because the headphone jack is actually for if somebody else wants to plug in their headset into your headset. The SteelSeries Arctis 3 headphones are really comfortable. I can wear them comfortably for 2 hours at a time with no problems. They have these really nice, thick, padded ear cups, and they also have this nice sort of Velcro headband, which I haven't really seen anywhere else. It's similar to the PS Pulse 3D headphones, or whatever Sony's new PS5 wireless headphones are called. That thing has this nice dynamic sort of cushioned band that retracts. As you put it on, it sort of expands to the top of the actual headband part. This one is like a cheaper version of that. It's got like two carabiners on each side, and there's one Velcro strap that straps around the carabiners, and it basically does the same thing, but you can clearly tell that it's cheaper. Nevertheless, it's still very comfortable. So on to the portability part. If you're buying these headphones, you're probably not looking at portability, seeing as these are gaming headphones, but I'll put it out there anyways. These headphones are not portable. Well, they're lightweight, they're easy to carry in your hand, you can put them on your neck, but they don't have any carrying case and they don't fold down at all. Only the ear cups twist. Nevertheless, I still use it with my phone sometimes because, well, the passive noise cancellation on it is pretty okay. And when I do, the only thing that I really find missing is just a play-pause button. I mean, you still have a mic on and off button, you have volume controls, but play-pause is one of those things like when my mom or dad calls me, I can just pause it, pull it down, and speak to them. Because these lack those, I have to pull out my phone, stop it, put it back in, pull the headphones down, and then go to them. So honestly, these headphones are really only good if you're thinking about using them with a console or using them with a PC. Okay, so another big reason that you're buying these headphones is for sound quality. Now, these headphones support Windows Sonic surround sound on Windows and Xbox One. If you want it on PS4, I think you have to buy a different version of these. But I'm an Xbox player, so I'm going to talk about Xbox. And the surround sound, I went to settings and I enabled it and all. So it's there. You can notice it. You can notice that there's a surround sound. But in my experience, I haven't really found it very immersive. Like, yeah, definitely, you can notice if somebody's behind you or somebody's in front of you, especially if you're playing FPS shooter or Battle Royale games, and survival is very key to the game. But it's not a very, it's not really pushing you into the game. It's just like, a bit higher than stereo audio, not at the spatial level yet. Now onto the mic quality of these headphones. This pair of headphones has a very, very high quality bidirectional mic. And it's also got a noise canceling mic too. And the mic quality on this is pretty impressive. It's got a nice, long, and durable, retractable mic. So, you can push it back in when you're not using it as much. But I noticed that actually, while the mic is retracted, it still gives off really, really good mic quality. And in case you haven't noticed, I am recording this entire video with these headphones. So the sound that you're hearing right now is from this mic. So you be the judge. Is it good or not? In my opinion, they're pretty good. So the price. These headphones come in at about $60 US dollars, and you can find them on Amazon. And as far as the SteelSeries line of headsets is concerned, this actually falls in the lower end. because SteelSeries has the Arctis 1, the Arctis 3, the Arctis 5, the Arctis 7, and the Arctis 9. And all of these headphones have a Bluetooth variant and a wired variant. This is the SteelSeries Arctis 3 wired. There is also a Bluetooth variant of this that is a bit more expensive. So if this fits your expectations, if what you want is a really good, comfortable headset that you can wear for long periods at a time, you want really good sound quality, and you want really good mic quality, and you're fine with sacrificing Bluetooth or anything like that, then I'd say definitely go for this, because this is very comfortable. The retractable mic makes it seem cooler than it actually is, and they're just really, really good sounding headphones. So if that's what you're looking at, then I'd say definitely go for these, because these are going to give you a lot of bang for the buck. Anyways, that's the end of the review. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it for me.